Hello and welcome. In this math tutorial, our task is to find the real values of x that satisfy this equation. Now, when you look at this problem, you'll notice that the numbers 1, 3, 5, and 7 are consecutive odd numbers. So we are going to start the solution by finding their arithmetic mean. We have 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Now 3 plus 5 is equal to 8 and 1 plus 7 is equal to 8. 8 plus 8 is 16 divided by 4. This is equal to 4. So the first thing we are going to do is a substitution. Let x be equal to d. Since this is positive, minus 4. Now we can write the equation as d minus 4 plus 1 multiplied by d minus 4 plus 3 multiplied by d minus 4 plus 5 multiplied by d minus 4 plus 7 is equal to 5,760. Now 1 minus 4 is equal to minus 3. 3 minus 4 is equal to minus 1. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. And 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. This is equal to 5,760. Now notice that we have d minus 3 multiplied by d plus 3. When we multiply these two factors, we get the difference of two squares. So this times this is going to give us d squared minus 3 squared, which is equal to 9. Also here we have d minus 1 multiplied by d plus 1. When we do this multiplication, we have the difference of two squares. So we have d squared minus 1 squared, which is equal to 1. And of course, this is equal to 5,760. Now, once more, let us take the mean of these two numbers, the arithmetic mean. We have minus 9 minus 1 divided by 2. Minus 9 minus 1 is minus 10 divided by 2. This is equal to minus 5. Now, we are going to do a second substitution. Let d squared be equal to y. Now, this is negative, so we have plus 5. That means that we can now write this equation as y plus 5 minus 9 multiplied by y plus 5 minus 1. And of course, this is still equal to 5,760. 5 minus 9 is minus 4. So we have y minus 4 multiplied by 5 minus 1 is 4. Y plus 4. This is equal to 5,760. Now, once more here, we have the difference of two squares. So when we multiply these two factors, we have y squared minus 4 squared, which is equal to 16. And this is equal to 5,760. Now, let us add 16 to both sides of this equation. When we do that, we have that y squared is equal to 5,760 plus 16. This is equal to 5,776. Now we have that y squared is equal to 5,776 is equal to 76 squared. Now to find the value of y, we take square root of both sides of this equation. When we do that, we have that y is equal to plus or minus 76. Now to find the values of d, we go back to this substitution equation. We have that d squared is equal to plus or minus 76 plus 5. From here, we have that d squared is equal to plus 76 plus 5, or minus 76 plus 5. D squared is equal to 76 plus 5 is 81, or minus 76 plus 5 is minus 71. Now, you know that for real values of d squared cannot be negative, so this is rejected. From here, we have that d is equal to plus or minus the square root of 81, which of course is equal to plus or minus 9. And finally, to find the values of x, we go back to this equation. We have that x is equal to plus or minus 9 minus 4. We have that x is equal to plus 9 minus 4, or minus 9 minus 4. X is equal to 9 minus 4 is 5, and minus 9 minus 4 is minus 13. So the two real values of x that satisfy this equation are 5 and minus 13. And with that, we come to the end of this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. If there are simpler ways of solving this equation, please let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and you can see more tutorials here.